Stop buying KASPA at the wrong time, sir. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly when you want to buy KASPA, when is the best time to buy KASPA for making immediate ROI. You don't want to be sitting on it for many months till it finally decides to pump, if it will pump. And also, you miss out on the entire bull run now. I'm going to give you also a few coins you want to pay attention to that you can buy instead, because KASPA is a complete waste of time. Okay, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you again the best time, price-wise, to trigger the bull run for KASPA if it's going to happen. So make sure, sir, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Now, let's go in. Okay, so look, first of all, this is the downward trend. Okay, we've been watching for KASPA. You can see a rejection from January 2025. Okay, this is the 2025 downward trend for KASPA KAS. Okay, you had a January rejection, May rejection, and July rejection. Now you have forming another immediate trend line here that you can entertain a breakout if you are like a KASPA maxis with tattoos all over his wife of the KASPA logo. If you are, you can entertain a breakout here. Me personally, I'm waiting for this downward trend to break out, okay? We want to see KASPA breaking back above this downward trend, okay? Now for me, I'm going to share an alert with my members once it's going to break the downward trend, because we like to trade KASPA once it's breaking out, just like it did here. It broke out here. We made very nice money here, very nice money here. Again, was nothing like 2023, but still, that was a nice breakout trade. Again, now this next breakout trend, the downward trend breakout, I believe it's going to be very significant, and it can be something like a 100% or a 200% price appreciation. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. Nothing here. Just a dude trading crypto for the last 8 years, 24/7. That's it. Nothing here. Okay, only entertainment. Now look, again, remember, okay, I will tell you exactly roughly when I think it's going to happen. Okay, so look, right now we're at 8 cents. Okay, again, assuming it will not take a shit, and drop below this trend line. Okay, this trend line, and make a lower low. If it make a lower low, take that low, that's concerning, man. It might go lower. It can go lower. It can continue the bear market. All right, but we believe Bitcoin and crypto now setting up for, especially cryptos, setting up for a major move. You can see many coins are pumping, going to new highs, and we believe KASPA will catch up some love later once it clears that downward. So again, me personally, I think, we might get a rally from now or later, a little bit later. Let's say in September, we test this trend line. Hopefully, again, we have CPI, we have Fed. It's going to be it could be a volatile month. They can manipulate the entire market. These old guys from the US, they can click the button, bye, and KASPA will take a nosedive, okay? Now, if nothing black swanny happening, all right, you're probably going to see a test of this downward trend in September, and I'm expecting it to break in September or moving into October and clear this high as well. Now, once it's going to break, I'm going to trigger a position. I'm going to buy a position, okay? Then once it clears that high, I'm going to buy another position. Now, if it will set up bull flag, retest, something like that, falling wedge, pennants, bullish patterns, we're going to buy more. That's how we trade. That's how we pyramid trade into KASPA when it's ready. Now, it's not ready. Stop wasting your time. Stop buying this rubbish. You have enough KASPA. If you're a hodler, you have 50% of your account, 80% of it. Stop with this garbage bollocks, okay? You miss out on the entire market. I'm going to show you a few coins that might perform much better than KASPA crap at the moment. Once KASPA is ready, I'm going to flip extremely bullish on KASPA. At the moment, it's a waste of time. You got to know when to flip. All right, time to pay attention. I'm buying KASPA. I'm loading up. I'm taking profit. Bam. Let's make ROI. To chop nothingness, rubbish, crap. All right, trade other coins. Okay, this is a bull market. It's a restaurant, man. It's a restaurant. The market is like a restaurant. You're not going to go have the same steak over and over again. You're going to have one day a steak. Then you're going to let it go. You're going to have a sushi or something else, or a pizza or whatever you like. You get me? Trade other coins that looking good, that looking sexy. All right, now I'm going to show you a few coins. Make sure first, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Get yourself Bitunix account. This is by far the best exchange to execute trades in crypto, the cheapest trading fees, no KYC, no VPN required. You even get a USDT bonus on a 500 USDT deposit. Unbelievable. Check it out. This is by far the best exchange I ever used in my life, the last 8 years. Check it out. Limited spots. Okay, so KASPA, we told you, okay, this is where you want to buy. Or you don't want to buy it now, it's rubbish. Now you want to take your USDT. First, the best thing to do, join the membership. We're going to help you. We're going to change your life. We're going to show you how to thrive in a crypto bull run in an alt season. Now, if you don't want and you're too cheap to do that, you're very cheap and a little baboon, all right, I'll show you some stuff. First of all, look, we want to minimize risk, okay? You don't want to be buying rubbish that is like high risk market cap, okay? So this is Solana, okay? Solana is breaking out here from this like kind of wedgie. Again, it might do a fake out. Again, if you take any trade, this is not a financial advice, again. We just offer you ideas that are much better, much prone to move higher safely than KASPA crap, okay? At the moment. Once KASPA is ready, we're going to let you know. Make sure to cook the bell. So Solana is much better, all right? Now, if you take a trade, it's still near the breakout. You put your stop under the daily low or under the 200, whatever. You take profits on some levels and you let it go. Solana is a nice one, okay? Look at AVAX, okay? We show you high caps because they are low risk. AVAX just broke out here of this level. We bought it obviously in the community here on the breakout point, on the triggering event. We believe AVAX is going way higher, I think, or you should wait for a pullback, retest, consolidation, or whatever you want to do. Much better than holding KASPA. I believe AVAX is going to go higher again. You put your stop under the breakout point. AVAX. ETH as well. ETH, man. ETH. Low risk, squeezy, okay? Man, if you buy some ETH, for example, now, if someone hypothetically buying, this is not a financial advice, if someone hypothetically buying Ethereum now, market order it, and he want to put his stop, he put his stop under the pivot low here. That's amazing, You put your stop here, the hypothetical guy, that's like 4 or 5% below, all right? And you take profits on some, every like 7, 8, 10% move, take some profit. Ethereum could make you it could make the hypothetical guy, much better gains than KASPA can. And also it's low risk. Always think risk. People don't think risk. They think, oh, I want to gain. No. You're going to get cooked by the market. If you're not managing risk, the market will manage you. Risk will manage you. It will cook you. All right. Ethereum, very nice coin. Okay, so we gave you Ethereum, Solana, and AVAX to put it on the radar. We're going to have many other coins. I want to show you a few coins we traded. Again, we trade high-risk coins, small caps, because we like the ROI. Obviously, we trade large caps as well. We trade everything. I'll show you a few trades we took in the community. Pump was one trade we took in September 1st. You can see buy the break above 374. Look at Pump, man. Look at Pump, okay? Where is Pumpy? Give me a second. Smash the like, please, sir. It really helped the channel. Look at Pump, man. This was our entry here. You can see 374, already marked it. Look at the entry here, up on it. Max gain to the wick today. It's keep going up, this baby boy. Okay, let me see if I can move it a bit higher. Anyway, it's more than 50%, something like a 60% from here. Yeah, 62% gains on the runner. Man, join the membership. I'll show you another trade. Look, KASPA did nothing. You completely waste your time. You waste the bull market. Look at IP, buy the break above 8.6. Look at IP, man. IP, all right. Look at IP, not this chart. This is the chart we trade. Okay, you can see that's the breakout. We spot the bull flag. Look at this bull flag here. Boom, we spotted it. We bought it here. We entered on the breakout here. You can see here. Waited one day and then boom, kahuna, baboona, okay? Boom. Look at this. This move, you think it's nothing. But you have no clue. You have no clue because you're listening to the KASPA clowns. 40% gains. What KASPA did? Absolutely nothing. Sir, ma'am, lady, gentleman, stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. The bull market is going to be over in the next couple of weeks, couple of months, man. The writing is on the wall. The biggest rug pull ever is coming. If you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to take profits, if you don't know how to spot the leaders, if you don't know how to buy breakouts, if you don't know how to use stops, how to use take profits automatically, you're never going to make it. You're never going to make it in this market. And not only that, you're going to lose everything in a couple of months' time. You're going to be homeless or maybe flipping burgers in McDonald's. That's what's going to happen to you. 100%, man, 100%. If you not step up your game and join a service that teach you anything, if you're just a hodler A baboon hodling. You know what happened to baboons, man? They end up eating bananas. That's it. All right. So really, we invite you to join our VIP, man. We get you all the trade alerts, all our market updates, a great support, teams of support. Anything you need, man. The best service. Check it out. You have even a coupon code, 25% off at checkout on WAP. Put the summer sale 25. Man, get 25%, no biggie. Try it out. It's life changing. Stop holding garbage coins. You're going to lose. You lose in all the bull market. And now we're having much more other coins, a lot more other coins setting up for breakouts, man. We always trade. This is the trading environment, okay? Not hodl. Hodl is rubbish. It is over. Hodling is a scam. It's a scam, man. You want to trade crypto for profits. That's what we offer you in the VIP. Check it out. If you trade with more than 5 digit, seriously, this is an emergency. Scan the QR code, join Elite VIP, book a call with me today. Time is running out. Time is running out, man. Window of opportunity is now. Coins are setting up for major breakout. Join Elite, book a call. I tell you exactly what I'm gonna do exactly next, which coins I'm trading next, with details, everything to the top. Pro. See you in the next video. Cheers.